Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I had Jessica in the shop.
Howdy y'all.
Hello Jessica. And what did we just do today, Jess?
Today I learned tapering and I made 10 tapers.
So we practiced a bunch of tapers. So I'm going to flip you around here and we're going to get up a little closer, and I want to talk a little bit about why it's important to practice. Ain't that right, hun?
That is correct.
All right. Let's flip you around in 3, 2, 1, go. So here we are. This is a pretty fun little deal here. Jessica just practiced, what was it, 10 tapers?
10 tapers, that's right. This is my first one on this end, and progressively they are in order till my last one, number 10 here.
And how do you feel about those?
Yeah, I feel like the last one was definitely the cleanest, and as I went along, I was able to with some help and some correction, I was able to try to start making them cleaner and more square, and some of them at the beginning, they kind of had some curves in them and things, and I believe that I was able to straighten that out there towards the end.
Yeah. So how do you feel about, how did you do? What do you think?
I definitely felt that the practice made me better at tapers. I definitely don't feel like 10 is enough though, especially just beginning into blacksmithing. This is probably something I should do on a weekly basis, like at least 10 a week, and just to get like the muscle memory and stuff and to be able to make a perfect taper. Also at the end, I was able to do like a 2-heat taper versus the beginning it was more like a 4-heat taper or something like that. So just being able to keep doing it repetitively it shortened the process there towards the end.
Yeah, and so, you know, hold on a second, I'll flip you all around. So, one of the things that I like to take and preach all the time is the importance of practice. And so Jessica really exemplified this today in the shop with the teaching of the, you know, Forging with Jess series. That's what we're going to be calling a lot of these upcoming vlogs in the shop, teaching Jess how to forge. Mm-hmm. As a beginner, it is very, very important for you all to practice. Even if it's something as simple as just drawing out a taper, cutting it off, and then going again. Draw out a taper, cut it off, and go at it again. Learn something new each time, inspect it, see what you did, try to figure out what you did wrong, and then go again. It's very imperative that you do this if you want to progress as a smith and be able to conquer a lot more advanced level processes. So hopefully within a few years, Jessica will be just as good as me.
Yeah, hopefully. Huh. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a long road, but she'll get there.
You got a 10-year head start.
Yes, yeah, I got nearly a decade on her, so, well, no, I do have a decade on her in the blacksmithing. But anyways, that's it for this little vlog, little thing here. Again, practice if you want to get good at blacksmithing. So like always, God bless you all, and don't forget to go check out our website at blacksmithpdfs.com, where we got all sorts of goodies there to take and help you on your journey of blacksmithing. Without further ado, got anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Nope. God bless you all. We'll catch you on the next one.
Bye-bye.